Alright, so if you logged into your account, this is of course where you can check or track your balance right here. Now this does include your voucher balance, so if you want to purchase an Astropay voucher, you can click on the vouchers here. If you don't currently have a voucher, you can get a new voucher. And here you can select between your local currency and of course USD. Now just go to USD right there and I'll click on this. And of course you have the option of choosing bank transfer, cards, or from your local distributor. And these are of course the three platforms where you can get your Astropay voucher from. And we can see that Off-Gamer's stock is one of the three platforms where you of course can get your Astro voucher from. Off-Gamer's platform, and of course here you can see that there are a lot of instructions as to how exactly to purchase your Astropay voucher. And of course, as you can see here, by the right over here, here's the brand, and of course Astropay voucher is selected. And if we check product, we have an opportunity of choosing between Astro Voucher US and of course Astro Voucher EU, and of course I'll pick US because that's the currency I'm operating on with. And for the value, you can't pick any of these. It depends on how much exactly you're willing to spend on a voucher. I'll just click the 10 USD, confirm. And of course you can click on buy now, but this would still require you to create an account and of course validate that account. So that's not what I'm doing in this tutorial. I'm just showing you exactly how it works. So you can do that and you can purchase your Astropay voucher. Alright, now that we've covered how to purchase an Astropay voucher from the Astropay platform and of course from Off-Gamers, which is of course an official distributor for Astropay voucher, let's look at how to redeem your Astropay voucher. So on this platform, there is of course a little step on how to redeem Astropay voucher, and you can do this by going to the checkout on any Astropay supported stores and selecting Astropay as your payment method. Now after you do this, you can type in your card number and other details on the provided blanks. Now confirm and finalize your transaction, and of course the value of your Astropay voucher will be applied automatically. Now there is a little issue here because although this process might not seem as easy a step as you might prefer or you might want, it's not really as hard as it seems. Now, the only thing or issue is you might need to check out from your bank or from the store you're trying to make a purchase if they support Astropay as a payment method. If they do, then there is no problem. Astropay is one of the biggest platforms where you of course can use to make online payments, and it is really secure. So that is it on how to create an Astropay account and of course how to purchase your Astropay voucher, as well as how to redeem your Astropay vouchers. So a quick side note here, remember to keep track of your Astropay account balance and of course use it within the validity period of the voucher. And there you have it, a full guide on how to redeem an Astropay voucher. It's a convenient and of course secure way to make payments online, and if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and of course subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and guides. Thanks for watching and happy redeeming.